Are you struggling to get your website on the first page of Google? Do you feel like your content isn't getting enough traffic or engagement? Do you want to build a brand that people recognize and trust? If you said yes to any of these, then today's video is I'd like to discuss how we can use content for SEO ranking and to help build your brand. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I'm Vignesh, your digital marketing advisor in London with over 20 years of experience in brand building and integrated marketing. If you want to scale your business online, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more digital marketing tips. Do you know 67% of marketers say content marketing generate more leads than ads, and websites with blogs have 434% more indexed pages, boosting SEO. So what is content marketing? Content marketing is nothing but creating a valuable, relevant and consistent content to attract, convert and retain your audience. But it also helps for SEO ranking and building your brand authority. Have you ever wondered why some websites rank higher on Google? It's because Google loves fresh, high quality content, and as a digital marketing consultant, I highly educate my clients to focus on producing good quality and trending content or topics to build organic traffic to their website. Let's see the top 5 types that are usually used for SEO and brand building. 1. Blogs and articles. These type of content are great to target long tail keywords to build organic traffic, and are also a great way to educate your audience or potential or existing clients. 2. Videos. Quality videos can help build relationship between a brand and its customers by humanizing your company and showcasing your offering in action. Videos can be used to rank your business on YouTube and also in search engines. 3. Create infographics, which are used for shareable content that can earn you backlinks. They can transfer data and statistics into a visually appealing and easily digestible content, making them ideal for various marketing goals. Infographics can also be used for lead generation by offering them as downloadable resources in exchange for email signups. 4. Social media. Creating your social media post effectively by focusing on creating engaging, valuable, and consistent content that resonates with your target audience, while also incorporating strategies like asking questions, running contests, and sharing behind the scenes clips of your business or any services. Don't forget to engage with your audience and build relationships, which is crucial to build your brand loyalty. And finally, the 5th on the list is podcast. This helps to build authority in your niche. By creating a podcast, you can establish thought leadership, foster community, and repurpose content for various platforms. And mainly, it helps to build a loyal audience. The role of content marketing in SEO. We advise all our clients to produce high quality content to support their SEO strategy. Search engines prioritize high quality, relevant, and a well-structured content when ranking websites. So let's see how content marketing supports SEO. First one is keyword optimization. Using strategically researched keyword within your content will help you improve search engine visibility. Use tools like Google's Keyword Search Planner or SEMrush to do your research, or get in touch with rank strikers and we can help you in generating keyword reports for your business. Second one, content helps to build quality backlinks. Valuable content encourages backlinks from reputable websites, which boosts domain authority. Third one helps to build user engagement. Engaging and informative content increases dwell time and reduces bounce rates on your website, signaling to search engine that the site is valuable. Fourth one, try to regularly produce content at least once in a week to keep your website relevant, because search engine algorithm favors websites which have fresh content. And also your audience or existing client will be happy if they get notified with useful content. And final one is the content structure. Very key part for SEO ranking. Build a well-organized content with proper headings, meta description, and internal links in order to improve your website readability and SEO performance. Now let's see how to build a brand with content marketing. Beyond SEO, content marketing is a powerful tool for brand building. A strong content strategy helps business establish authority, foster trust, and connect emotionally with your audience. Let's see how we can use content to strengthen your brand. 1. Consistent brand voice. Maintaining a consistent tone and messaging across all the content ensures brand recognition. 2. Thought leadership. Publishing insightful articles, white paper, podcasts, videos, and case studies establishes credibility and expertise in your industry. Third, emotional connection. Storytelling and relatable content foster deeper audience engagement and loyalty for your brand. 4. Social media amplification. Shareable content enhances brand visibility and audience interaction on social platforms. 5. Customer education. Informative content that helps consumer understand the brand value, making them more likely to convert and can become your brand ambassador. Now let's see what are the best practices for an effective content marketing strategy. 1. Understand your audience. Before you plan your content marketing strategy, we highly recommend to conduct a market research so that your content resonates with your target demographic. 2. Stay consistent when you are producing content. For example, if you are releasing a content weekly once or twice, stick to the plan. 3rd, solve real-life problems. Try to produce content which solves an issue or provides value to your audience, and try to engage with your audience by replying to their comments. 4th, try to repurpose your content by turning blogs into videos and videos into reels, and distribute content through social media, email newsletter, and partnership to increase reach. Final one is to leverage your data analytics. Use analytical tools to measure your user interaction metrics and insights to refine your future strategies. Remember, content marketing is just one aspect of SEO and brand building activity. And if you need any help with SEO, my team at RankStrikers offers a free SEO audit to analyze your website performance and identify growth opportunities. Click the link below to book your free consultation today, and feel free to drop a comment with your SEO questions, and I would love to help. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share with your fellow business friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more digital marketing tips. Stay happy, keep growing, and let's build a positive world around us. Until then, this is your Vignesh, your digital marketing advisor. See you in the next one.